You weirdos wanted it, so here it is. Another case of the hiccups. I don't know why this started. I was just minding my own business, scrolling my phone, and suddenly it just started. I don't know what's going on. But a lot of you seem to think that my hiccups are cute. And thanks for that, but they're also kind of painful. But I'm glad that someone can get enjoyment out of this regardless. Uh, that hiccup almost made me choke on my spit. Uh, oh, I think I left my drink on the porch too. I'll have to go get it. Soda's probably not the best thing to help with hiccups, but this, good lord. I mean, I'm doing this because it gets a lot of views, and if this gets views, then the rest of my channel will get views. So I can actually make more of the content that I'm really interested in, and it will get views. Am I even making sense? I don't know. I think these hiccups are rattling my brain. So, what's your guys' favorite dessert? I like ice cream. But I also had this delicious strawberry cheese Danish recently. It's kind of like a pie, but smaller, like a cross between cheesecake and a pie. Although technically, cheesecake is a pie because it's got a crust and a filling, and it's not like bread like a cake is. Ugh, I got so much. You ever have dates where there's just a bunch of like spit and stuff in your mouth, and it's like you can barely talk because I don't know. I know it's kind of gross to think about, but it's like I'm feeling about to foam at the mouth. Like, what's going on here? Oh, goodness. This is quite a case of the hiccups. By the way, why do you guys like this so much? I hope this isn't a sexual thing to you, because I did not sign up for this. But, I mean, I can't really control what other people think about things. So, and none of the comments were too bad. Like, none of them were like creepy. And just so you know, if you do make a comment like that, I will delete it. I don't want that kind of attention. I'm very ace. Very, very ace. Okay, I think that's it.